Hawaii MMA news. Zach Zane accepted a last-minute opportunity at Eagle FC. Darrell Horcher pulled out of the fight and was replaced by the 32-year-old Hawaiian fighter Zach Zane. Zane recently bagged a huge win at Fierce FC when he knocked out Steve Siler within 7 seconds. Zane has long experience in MMA, with a record of 15 wins and 9 losses. He worked hard to get fights in every fight promotion there is. Big or small, it doesn't matter as long as he gets to scrap. Zach Zane will be facing the 31-year-old Loik Radzhabov. The PFL veteran is ready to make his debut at Eagle FC. He fought in PFL 8 times and get the win 4 times. In total, Loik Radzhabov has a fight record of 15 wins and 4 losses. Who do you think will win?
And I tell you, there's no slouch. He's a tough guy. He's extremely well-rounded.
But if you get caught in the right spot, it don't matter.
That's right.